Dear students, now let us study about profit and loss. Let us start with examples of profit and loss. The first example says, Dhruva bought a pen for ₹25 and sold it to Hari for ₹30. Students, in this example, the money that Dhruva, the shopkeeper, pays for is called the cost price, denoted by CP, and the money that Hari, the customer, pays for is called the selling price, denoted by SP. Here, the cost price of the pen is smaller than its selling price, and hence Dhruva has made a profit. Hence, profit P is calculated by SP minus CP, that is, selling price minus cost price. So, substituting the values, we write ₹30 minus ₹25 gives us ₹5. The profit that a shopkeeper makes may be worked out in percentage. We have percentage profit is given by actual profit divided by cost price into 100%. That is, P divided by CP into 100%. Therefore, for Dhruva, percentage profit is equal to ₹5 divided by ₹25 into 100%. That gives us 20% as the answer. The second example says, Sushila bought 1 kg apples for ₹40 and sold it to Vishal for ₹32. Students, here the cost price of the apples is greater than the selling price, and hence Sushila is in loss in her business. Hence, loss is given by cost price minus selling price. For Sushila, loss equals to ₹40 minus ₹32. That gives us ₹8. The loss in any business may also be worked out in percentage. We have percentage loss equals to actual loss divided by cost price into 100%. That is L divided by CP into 100%. Therefore, for Sushila, percentage loss equals to ₹8 divided by ₹40 into 100%. That gives us 20%. The third example says, Binay bought a watch for rupees 400 and sold it to Sunil at a profit of 20%. Students, here the cost price and the percentage profit are given, but the selling price is not given. To calculate the selling price, we can use the unitary method. Here, 20% profit indicates that when cost price is rupees 100, then selling price is equal to rupees 100 plus 20. When cost price is rupees 1, then selling price is equal to rupees 100 plus 20 divided by 100. When cost price is rupees 400, then the selling price is equal to rupees 100 plus 20 divided by 100 into 400. Here 20 is the profit percent and 400 is the value of cost price. On replacing 20 by profit and 400 by cost price, we have the formula selling price equals to 100 plus profit divided by 100 into cost price. Similarly, selling price equals to 100 minus loss divided by 100 into cost price. If percentage loss is given, now the fourth example. Students, the fourth example says Sharmila bought a radio and sold it to Ram at a loss of 30% for rupees 560. Here, the selling price and percentage loss are given, but the cost price is not given. Again, we can use unitary method to calculate the cost price. Here, 30% loss indicates that when selling price is rupees 100 minus 30, then cost price is rupees 100. When selling price is rupees 1, then cost price is rupees 100 by 100 minus 30. When selling price is rupees 560, then cost price is rupees 100 divided by 100 minus 30 into 560. Here 30 is the loss percent and 560 is the value of selling price. On replacing 30 by loss and 560 by selling price, we have the formula cost price equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss into selling price. Similarly, if a profit is made, we have the formula cost price equals to 100 divided by 100 plus profit into selling price. Students, let us now look at a few examples. This one says, Ram bought an old house for rupees 2,50,000. He spent rupees 25,000 for the repair and decoration of the house. He sold it for rupees 3 lakh. Now, what was his percentage profit? Here is the solution. Students, the cost price of the house before repairing is rupees 2,50,000. But he spent rupees 25,000 for repairing the house. Therefore, the total cost price is given by rupees 2,50,000 plus rupees 25,000. This gives us rupees 2,75,000. The selling price as given was rupees 3 lakh. Now, the actual profit is given by actual profit equals to selling price minus cost price. That is rupees 3 lakh minus rupees 2,75,000. This gives us rupees 25,000. Now let us calculate the profit percent. Students, we know that profit percent equals to actual profit divided by the cost price into 100. Now let us substitute the values and we write rupees 25,000 divided by rupees 2,75,000 into 100. This gives us 100 by 11%. That is 1 by 11%. Now on to the other example. It reads, a ready-made garment shop has a stock of 100 pieces of shirt bought at rupees 250 each. What would be the selling price of each shirt if the shopkeeper wants to make a profit of 25% on the whole stock? Now look at the solution. Students, here the total cost price of 100 shirt is equal to rupees 250 into 100. This gives us rupees 25,000. The profit to be made is equal to 25% of the cost price. That is 25 by 100 into rupees 25,000. This gives us rupees 6,250. Therefore, the selling price of 100 shirts is equal to cost price plus profit. This is equal to rupees 25,000 plus rupees 6,250 gives us rupees 31,250. This is the selling price of 100 shirts. So, the selling price of one shirt is rupees 31,250 divided by 100, which gives us rupees 312.50. Students, alternately, the selling price of 100 shirts is equal to 100 plus 25% of the cost price. That is 125 divided by 100 into 25,000. This gives us rupees 31,250. And so by using the unitary method, the selling price of one shirt is given by dividing the selling price of 100 shirts by 100. That is rupees 31,250 by 100, which gives us rupees 312.50 as the answer. Now let us look at another example. It says, what is the cost price of a bag of rice containing 30 kg if by selling at rupees 19 per kg, a loss of 5% is made? Here is the solution. Students, here 5% loss indicates that when cost price is rupees 100, then the selling price is rupees 100 minus 5. We can write this as when selling price is rupees 95, then the cost price is rupees 100. When selling price is rupees 1, then cost price is rupees 100 by 95. When selling price is rupees 19, then the cost price is rupees 100 by 95 into 19. That gives us rupees 20. Therefore, the cost price of rice per kg is equal to rupees 20. And cost price of 30 kg of rice is given by rupees 20 into 30, that is rupees 600. Alternatively, we can solve this problem by using the formula cost price equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. That equals to 100 divided by 100 minus 5 into 19. This is equal to 100 divided by 95 into 19, which is equal to rupees 20. Therefore, the cost price of 30 kg of rice is equal to rupees 20 into 30, that is rupees 600. And that is the answer.